Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've just found me. My name's Chrissy. I'm really pleased to meet you. Come on in and join the family. Today I'm just going to be creating this simple eye look, and I'm going to be using this new reloaded palette from Revolution. It's called Hypnotic and it's one of 4 that they've just released. So if you'd like to know how I've got the look, please stay tuned. So they've brought out Hypnotic and Smoky Neutrals, Deep Dive and Red Alert. These ones are £4 and you get 15 shades in each. I think I'm going to choose this Hypnotic palette. I'm going to use this one here. Burnt orange colour, which is number 7. It's a nice payoff. I'm going to put that in the crease just to start the colour, just so we can get that colour peeping over. Just very gently. Some beautiful colours in these. These would be more than what I'd wear for work, so it's more of a neutral colours with just a little splash of colour. Going to go a little bit darker to start with. We're going to go with this one here, and that one is number 4. I'm just going to go under that, right into the crease, and just gradually add the colour. I'm going to keep this very simple for you today. After last week's 80s look, that was a bit outrageous. But I will speak as I find the shadows that I used, whether it was because I used an eye primer or not, that didn't stain in the slightest, which is always good. Clean fluffy brush. I'm just going to give that colour just a blend, just to soften it up. You may lose some of the colour, but we want sort of a gradual colour, not a block. We're going to use this one here, and that one is number 1. So I'm just going to pat that in. I'm just going to bring it slightly up because of my hooded eyes as well. So I'm going to have to put a little bit more of that orange just on the top of it, just so it's peeking out a little bit. Very nice. Very deep chocolatey brown. I'm going to go back in with that orange colour, peach, coral more, I think it is, coral colour. Just so it peeks out over the top of the brown. Try not to get any brown on it because it'll go really muddy else. So I think I'm going to go in with this sparkly shimmer. It's number 9. I'm going to take it with my finger. I'm not going to do any cut crease or put any base on. I just want to see what it's like. It's just got that slight tinge of orange about it, like a copper colour, so it works well with the colours that I've used. That's nice. Just going to pat the dark colour on just so it's not going right from one colour to the next in a line. Right, I'm going to add a brown eyeliner and some mascara. Revolution Pro eyeliner, it's in brown. I'll add a little mascara now, which again I'm using the Mascara Revolution. I can get it to stop shining. I've just put one coat on and then I'll do my base and then we'll finish off, and then I usually just put an extra layer on just to finish off. I will be back once I've put my base on and then we'll do the rest just to complete the look. And I'm just going to set it with this new Revolution Pro foundation. Oh, it's powder foundation. It's pressed powder. So I'm just going to mat it down. With this powder. I would usually use a translucent one. This, I'm not sure whether they actually come in shades. I think they do. Let me look. Oh yeah, this one's F6. So they do come in various different shades. I'm going to use this Revolution Pro HD Powder Contour palette. This one's in Fair. And I'm going to use these two shades, maybe even this one, depending on how dark it is. I'll try the dark first. Let's go in, have a look. Touch of the Hoola bronzer. Go in with this Revolution Vivid Baked Blush. This one is Make Love Instead. I have used this before. It's just got that tinge of peach in it. And then we'll just put just a little bit of highlighter on as well. This one's in Ice Kiss. It's a bit extreme brush, but well, I took all of my brushes down to wash them, and so all of my favourite the regular ones I've got are all sitting downstairs and I ain't had time to wash them. Right, still got a little bit there. Just blend that down into your blush. So I'm just going to take that and run it under. This is the dark brown. I'm going to use this one here, which is number 2. Oh yes. That's just got, it's a shimmer, but it's just got like a very pastel peach running through it. But the sparkle on it is just enough to brighten your inner corners. If I can get a little bit in there as well, will help. Just trying to use as many of the colours as possible as well from the palette. Just separate all those lashes so they look even. I love this palette. I think I'm going to get quite a bit of use out of it. I really do like it. Do a colour swatch as well for you in a second. Let's just spray my face, put some lipstick on, and we'll do a colour swatch. I'm using the Renaissance Chauffeur lip liner from Revolution. We're going to use one of the Revolution matte liquid lips. This one is Ballerina. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. My lovelies, this is my finished look for today. I really hope you've enjoyed watching today, and I hope you've been able to take a few little tips from it. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And if you've liked it, give us a thumbs up. That will be superb. Until the next time, I'll see you again really soon. Love you loads. Bye.